नमस्ते एंड वेलकम टू शॉर्ट क्लासेस। आज हम टेस्ट ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एट 10+2 लेवल, जो कि टोमेटो नाम से बहुत पॉपुलर बुक है, इस बुक से एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। ये बुक इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल इंस्टीट्यूशन के द्वारा पब्लिश किया जाता है टू हेल्प द स्टूडेंट्स इन देयर प्रिपरेशन फॉर आईएसआई एंट्रेंसेस। तो आइए देखते थे कि इस क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा गया है। Find the area of the region in the xy plane bounded by the graphs y equals to x square and x plus y equals to 2 and y equals to minus root over x. Solution. So the graphs are y is equals to x square. This is the first one. The second one is x plus y equals to 2, a straight line. Y equals to x square is a parabola, and y is equals to minus root over x is also a parabola. So we have three graphs, and the pictorial representation of these graphs looks like this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So the first curve, which is y is equals to x squared, is this. The second one, which is a straight line, is x plus y is equals to 2, and the last one, which is also a parabola, is y is equals to minus root over x. So x to the power 4 is equals to x, and this implies that x multiplied by x cube minus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 or 1, and these results we find from these first two curves. Okay, now from 2 and 3 we get 2 minus x square is equals to x, and this implies x square minus 5x plus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to 1 and 4. Okay, so point of intersection is 1. Intersection is x equals to 1. Therefore, the shaded region, the area of this shaded region is modulus of integration 0 to 1 y2 minus y1 dx. Now here y2 is equals to minus root over x and y1 is equals to x square. Hence we get modulus of 0 to 1 minus root over x minus x square dx, and this results in integration 0 to 1 root over x plus x square dx. Hence we can say that integration 0 to 1 root over x dx plus 0 to 1 x square dx. Here we get half plus 1, that means 3 by 2. Okay, x to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, 0 to 1, and here we get x cubed by 3, 0 to 1. So this results in 2/3, this results in 1/3. Therefore 1 is the answer. So the area of the shaded region is 1 square unit. So we have solved this problem, and that's all for today. We Soros's classes provide different study materials and mock test series for ISI entrances, so you can join us. And for further details, you can check our website also, which is www.sorosclasses.com, and subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notifications. Thank you then very much.